Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to boost your mobile phone signal on any Android device so you can make clearer calls without dropouts or static, even in low signal areas. If your calls keep cutting off or you struggle with poor network, stay tuned because I'll walk you through 2 simple methods that work worldwide. And if your phone doesn't show the Wi-Fi calling option, don't worry, I'll show you an alternative route that works just as well. Let's jump right in. The first method is quick and powerful, and it works using a hidden code. Grab your Android phone and open the dialer, the same app you use to make calls. Now type this code #3370#. Then tap the call button. You'll be asked to select the SIM you want to boost. Choose the one with weak signal. Within a few seconds, you might notice a stronger signal bar or more stable connection. If this worked for you, great. But if nothing changes or the code doesn't function on your specific model or region, don't worry. Method 2 is just as effective. Next, we'll use Wi-Fi calling to improve your calling experience, especially in areas with poor network coverage. Here's how. Go to Settings on your Android phone. In the search bar at the top, type in Wi-Fi calling. Tap the first suggestion that pops up. Now scroll down until you see the Wi-Fi calling option. Turn it on for the SIM or network you want better call quality on. This setting allows your phone to make and receive calls over a Wi-Fi network, even if the mobile signal is weak. So if you're at home, in a cafe, on a bus, or in the mall, as long as you're connected to Wi-Fi, your call quality will be stronger and clearer. Now, if your phone doesn't show Wi-Fi calling when you search, don't panic. Here's what to do instead. Still in your settings, type Wi-Fi in the search bar. Tap on Wi-Fi preferences from the options. Next, toggle on the option that says Turn on Wi-Fi automatically. Then scroll down and toggle on the option Auto Switch to Mobile Data. This combination helps your phone automatically use the strongest available connection, whether Wi-Fi or mobile data, improving your chances of uninterrupted calls. So whether you're at home or on the go, these 2 methods can drastically improve your calling experience. Use the USSD code 337DU to boost signal strength. Turn on Wi-Fi calling or adjust your Wi-Fi preferences to maintain solid call quality, even in dead zones. No special app required, no routing, just built-in features that most people overlook. Was this helpful? Let me know in the comments which method worked for you. And if you know someone who struggles with call drops or poor signal, share this video with them. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon so you never miss another smartphone fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.